160K subscribers na po tayo. Thank you for the undying support sa ating mga loyal na mga subscribers dyan. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Kayo po yung reason kung bakit patuloy ako gumagawa ng content na hopefully maka-inspire in terms of personal finance and how to manage yung mga ola natin. Because you have been with me for a long time now, and yung sa mga bago nating subscribers din, meron tayong pa-cellphone giveaway, but you have to finish the whole video. Because before I start talking about the cellphone giveaway, gusto kong pag-usapan tong si GGives. And thankfully, ewan ko if I should be thankful or not, meron akong isang cellphone binili ko through Shopee, yung Pay Later. Yung maganda sa Pay Later is, hindi siya bumababa. Although mataas-taas ang yung interest niya kaysa sa GGives, pero hindi siya bumababa. And from time to time, meron ka pang temporary increase. So, binili ko yung isang cellphone na pang giveaway natin dun sa Shopee because of the Shopee Pay Later. Kasi tampo-tampo ako guys kay GGives. Napaka-unstable po kay GGives. Oh, by the way, this video is not sponsored. So, kahit na yung mga cellphone na yung pang giveaway ko guys, galing yan sa akin. Ang hirap mag-giveaway guys, kasi alam mo, I feel sad for those na hindi mapili. At the same time, excited din ako sa mapipili. Unfortunately, right now, yung kaya ko 4 lang po. So, good luck to everyone. Anyways, going back to GGives. Ano ba si GGives? GGives is one of the utang features na ma-avail nyo through the GCash app. Itong si GCash app, meron po siyang tinatawag na pa-G-score, which yun yung bali yung qualifier because G-score determines how often you use GCash, and it is also based on your credit history. Take note kasi si GCash, meron po siyang access sa mga systems that show GCash kung naging responsible borrowers tayo outside of the mga pautang na ino-offer ni GCash. Score, depende sa G-score mo, ma-o-offeran ka ng mga products, mga pautang products niya, si G-Credit, si G-Loan, si GGives. The sad part about this is that para sa akin napaka-unreliable ni GGives, napaka-unpredictable niya. For your reference guys, yung G-score ko ngayon is nasa 612 and I have a G-credit of 40,000 pesos which I rarely use. Pang-emergency lang talaga siya kasi dapat inalagaan naman talaga natin yung mga kautangan natin eh. And I also have GGives na kakagamit ko lang. I don't have G-loan. Unfortunately, pagkatapos mo magbayad dati ng G-loan ko, wala na. That's why I don't like GCash. Anyway, so itong si GGives, nung last kong loan, nabigla ako guys kasi naging 9,000 na lang yung aking credit limit. Why? I've been a good payer. Always on time. Anyways, whatever. Pero nagkaroon din ako ng rebate sa interest na 60-something pesos. Okay, thank you. Fine. So I was so concerned kasi sabi ko, kung hindi ko gagamitin yung 9,000 na yan or 8,000 na yan, I felt like mawawala eh. So, sabi ko, gamitin ko, bili ako ng cellphone pang giveaway. By the way, dati kasi 30,000 pesos po yung GGives ko eh, yung credit limit ko. And then, nung nag-decide na ako bumili ng cellphone gamit yung GGives, nabigla ako kasi naging 18,000 pesos siya. Dumoble. So, sabi ko, gamitin ko na nga, baka mawala pa. So, I went ahead dun sa post-marketing ko, nag-live pa nga ako, diba? And instead of doing a 3 cellphone giveaway, charot saan galing term na yan, ginawa ko siyang 4. So, 3 yung mga nanalo galing sa YouTube at isa sa Facebook. I'm also trying to grow my Facebook page, guys. So, please follow me on Facebook. The link is in the description box. Anyways, so, ayun guys, GGives ko siya kasi sabi ko, hirap na baka mawala pa. So, the main question for other people is that, nako-convert ba sa GCash itong si GGives? To be honest, GGives, hindi po siya designed para ma-convert to cash. Para siyang pang buy now, pay later, and magsa-scan ka, and then once yung GGives, pag naabot mo yung minimum, it will automatically appear doon na si GGives yung gagamitin mo instead of G-credit. However, some of us find a workaround. Iba, very talented. Yung iba, nagpapa-convert sa kung sino may GPO, which is nothing wrong with that. Sometimes it's good to have cash instead of, you know, other forms of utang. The problem with GPO, getting it converted to cash via GPO is that yung mga may GPO service, nagsisingil sila ng service fee, and it can be as high as 25%. And there could be technical problems pa na, di ba, ang hirap mag-fix pag nagkaroon na ng issue. And so, magbabayad ka na ng interest kay GGives, magbabayad ka pa ng service fee dun sa nagre-render ng GPO service nila. Kung gusto nyo gawin yan, it's up to you. May iba naman na nag-suggest, gagamitin mo si GGives as a payment method sa mga credit card statements nyo through the GCash app. Credit card mo bale, i-convert mo sa cash. Pero hindi naman lahat may credit card. So, to be on the safe side, mas mabuti na we just use GGives for what it's intended for. So, pang buy now, pay later, pang scan QR. Online and in physical store. So, bumili ako ng 3 cellphone, guys, and I got it on a discount for something, and therefore, yung total bill ko dun sa POS was 13,197. So, yung 13,197 kung yan, I chose, I went with, 12 months. Iba-iba naman yung credit limit kong yan eh. So, parang hindi na ako excited na bayaran ko bali yung loan as soon as possible. So, para sa akin, sa kay GGives, just follow your schedule. I scanned the code ng merchant and then lumabas po si GGives as a payment option dahil naabot ko yung minimum. For example, sa akin na 18,000 yung aking credit limit, yung minimum ko is 2,000 pesos and I can use up to 3 loans. Kaso ito, isang loan lang, kinuha ko siya. Then, may dalawang options na lumabas. 9 months and 12 months. So, pinili ko si 12 months. Mababa yung interest. Sabi niya is 3.99 lang. Kasi pag nag 9 months ako, 4.29. But I feel like they're just playing with numbers. So, dahil hindi naman ako nagmamadali na matapos ko kaagad yung loan ko, kaya yun, nag 12 months ako. So, ang babayaran ko is 1,626.31. So, bali yung loan amount ko is yung 13,197. And then, magbabayad ako ng 1,626.31 per month for 12 months. And it's optional for you to describe kung para sa ano yung loan mo. And then mag-a-agree ka sa disclosure statement. The disclosure statement will show you the summary of your term. Kaagad naman siya na-confirm. So, wala akong nagka-problema. The only thing is, tip lang na kung gagamit kayo ng mga ganitong klaseng mga payment methods, always have a backup payment method. Kasi baka mag-error, di ba? Baka hindi mag-work. So, at least, hindi makaka-hassle dun sa store kung saan tayo nagtatransact. So, yun po guys, nakabili ako ng 3 cellphone. I have 4. Tuloy na tuloy po yung giveaway natin because I'm very, very thankful. You've been supporting me through all this time. At kaya ngayon, we're just growing and growing and I hope we keep growing. Paano sumali? So, yung isa sa Facebook. So guys, meron akong nilagay sa Facebook na post. If you're following me on Facebook, all you need to do is follow the instructions sa post na yan and comment below. And the winner will be selected randomly. Pero may cut-off ha, para hindi rin ako mahirapan sa pag-select ng winner. On YouTube, 3 po. Kasi mas marami tayo. Mas malaki yung community natin dito sa YouTube. Yung gagawin nyo is magko-comment lang kayo sa baba. Pero i-filter ko syempre yung duplicates. Kasi kahit na mag-comment ka dyan ng 20, isang entry ka lang. Para may chance yung lahat. And then I will select 3 random winners. So swerte-swerte yan ha. Ayun guys, so dapat subscribe ka dito sa channel. Syempre naman, para #deserve. Hindi naman ako mamimigay sa cellphone sa hindi nakasubscribe. Ano ba kayo? 3 po yung mananalo. Comment below. And also, syempre, i-verify ko kung legit yung account mo. Alangan naman magbigay ako ng cellphone sa hindi ko ma-verify kung sino man yon. So guys, yun lang. That's all for today. Yun lang yung masasabi ko kay GGives. Yung gusto ko lang sana, kung pwede lang, kung nakikinig si GCash, pa-Glo naman dyan. Para ma-review at para makapag-giveaway ulit ako. Anyways, no, I'm just babbling. So, thank you so much, guys, and good luck to everyone. Kung mag-comment, please give me 1 week. Of course, dapat i-announce ko rin yun sa community post para hindi kayo mahuli sa mga updates ko. Please give me 1 week to verify the winners. This is all for today. Thank you so much for the undying support, and I hope we keep growing para mas marami akong ma-reach ng mga tao na makapag-share ng aking mga stories na I hope napupulutan nyo ng aral. So, that is all for today. Bye!